Hey guys, it's Amber Symone coming to you today with a lip gloss review from Marc Jacobs. Alright, so I'm going to be reviewing the Snake Charmer lip glosses today. So disclaimer, at first, I never used to expand my horizons on lip glosses because I usually stick to Victoria's Secrets or I stick to Sephora lip gloss, just a plain, regular, and clear. But I would like to actually review this lip gloss today because my boyfriend's mom, she got it for me for Christmas, and once I put on the pink one, I think it's actually called Skin Deep, I said, wait a minute. It actually reminds me of, it's Velvet Teddy. It's like a Velvet Teddy combo I use from MAC, but it's actually, this one reminds me of a more glossier version. So I'm going to be trying on all of these for you today. If you can see them here, there's Sugar Sugar, Skin Deep, Raspberry Beret, Boys Don't Cry, and Changes. All right, so let's jump into this right now. So I do have some baby wipes because I wanted to show you guys the full color of each single lip gloss. So let me pull one out of here. Alright. I had on chapstick before because sometimes it was getting a little dry. As you can see, there was like a little bit of makeup on my lips already, or around them at least. So the first one that we will try, who is our lucky winner? So I'm gonna try Sugar Sugar. Sometimes I'm not a fan of, I guess, super light pink on my skin tone, but I feel like as I grow older, I'm starting to like it a little bit more because Velvet Teddy, shout out to Velvet Teddy, that's one of my faves. All right, so this one's the Marc Jacobs Sugar Sugar. As you can see, it's kind of like a light pink, and this is, yep, let me try this on right now. So I don't know if these are just the test size samples or if Marc Jacobs makes his lip glosses any bigger, but knowing me, I don't need a large lip gloss anyway because I might end up losing it. So let's try this. It smells kind of minty. It smells really minty. Alright, this, what I will say, the color may not be the perfect color for me, but the texture of the gloss goes on like butter. What I will say about this color on me is just a little, I don't want to say white, but you can definitely see through the actual lip gloss. So what you can do sometimes is line it with a lip liner before and then add on maybe like a dab of lipstick in the middle and then put on your lip gloss. I know it sounds like a lot, but if you're trying to go for a certain look, that's what you might have to do if you are my skin tone. So this actually is really cute. Look, trying to surface just a little bit. If you rub it together, you can see like it's a little transparent. You can see through the lip gloss, but other than that, I really like the texture of this one. The color, so far, I honestly haven't tried all of these, so I don't know which one's my favorite yet, but let's jump on to the next one. Alright, so this next one that I'm going to be reviewing is called Skin Deep, and it actually favors this one a lot, but it definitely has more color into it. It's not as transparent. It's actually a bit opaque, even it being a lip gloss and it being light pink, so that's like my favorite thing about it. So let me take off this one for you guys. Alright, so let's jump into the next one. This one is Skin Deep, and already I'm a little biased. This one's like my favorite one. What I will say, even the wand of the actual lipstick is extremely good quality. Like this stick right here, it like fits my lips perfectly. Yeah, this one's a little bit more pink than the last one. The other one had like a tannish pink thing going on, kind of was a little bit on the whiter side, but this one is definitely more pink than the last one. I know I'm putting this on kind of funny, but I'm just trying to make sure I get each and every corner. So if you guys have me on Instagram, Snapchat, if you see me with a pink lip gloss, this is probably the lip gloss I was wearing. So this one here, already being, you know, being a little bit biased, out of all of them, this one has been my favorite one. It actually was the first one I took out of the package because I said, ooh, this one kind of looks familiar to what I usually try. So Skin Deep so far, ding ding, is the winner. Let me try the next one. It's Raspberry Beret. So what I will say in the past, as I'm taking this off, Purple lipstick, I have tons of purple lipsticks, but it definitely is not my favorite color that I like to wear. Ooh, my little lipstick gonna fall off. All right. All right, so I'm gonna put Skin Deep back and Raspberry Beret. This color's, ooh, this, hold on y'all, this was not even planned, but this color matches the eyeshadow I'm wearing underneath my eyes. This is actually shameless plug. This is from the Morphe palette, 330B or 3B. It's one of the B's, I'm sorry. I'll put it down in the description box if you guys really want to know. So already, pulling this out, they all have the same wand. I'm a huge fan of the wand. Right now, this one does not look transparent like the first one. It's a bit opaque, which is actually really good. Let's try this on. Ooh. It goes on extremely smooth, but this lip gloss goes on like butter. Butter. I'm so serious. And what I will say too, I feel like I'm not a huge fan of purple because usually I wear purple mattes or purple matte lipsticks. I've never tried a purple lip gloss, but I am really feeling this. And the fact that it matches my eyeshadow is like, warms my heart. Yo, I kind of don't want to take this off. Review over. No, I'm just kidding. This is a move. This is definitely a move, y'all. I really like this one. What I will say, Skin Deep is definitely a color that you can use for a more natural look if you're not trying to go all out, be seen, whatever. But this right here, what's the name of this one? Raspberry Beret. I really like this color. I like how rich the color is, one. Sometimes when you put on like color lip glosses, I do actually have a red lip gloss from Victoria's Secrets. I put it on, but it's like slightly red with a few sparkles in it, but you can't really tell that it's really red. But this right here, this Raspberry Beret, I'm feeling it. I'm really feeling it. All right, so the next one I'm gonna try, guys, is Boys Don't Cry. Girls don't cry either. I'm just playing, I cry all the time. But let me try this next one. This is more of a deep purple. Now I have like a matte lipstick color like this. I honestly don't wear it too often. No personal reason. Lately I've been wearing a lot of lip glosses, clear lip glosses. All right. So this next one, Boys Don't Cry. You can see the color here. It is super rich and super purple. Even though underneath my eyes is more like a fuchsia color, I feel like you could rock this with the fuchsia underneath your eyes. I love how it comes out of the tube. Like, I like the design of it. I like the texture. I like the wand. So Marc Jacobs, you got me so far. All right. This one's pretty. This one, I will say, as you can see, I had to put on a second coat already, like flip the wand on the other side for it to be to get that deep, rich purple. Ooh. Guys, this is pretty. I'm like I said before, I've never tried like colored lip glosses, only because I always had this preconceived notion that it's not going to look that great on my skin tone, and that's why I usually stick to clear lip gloss, or I'll try like red lipsticks. Like, even though red is a stretch from purple too, but I feel like I need to take a selfie right now, but I can't just stop my video. So last but not least, in this Marc Jacobs Snake Charmer collection, we have, this color is actually really pretty, and I'm not too sure how this is gonna look. It's kind of like a brown, brownish, pinkish, yellowish, purplish, I don't even know what to call it. It has a bunch of colors mixed in with it. And this one is called Changes. So I already like the title, so I'm a fan. Y'all, I might almost like this Boys Don't Cry better than Raspberry Beret. Maybe because it has a more rich of a color, but who knows. So last but not least, we have Changes. And as you can see, I'm about to open it here. Ooh, this is really pretty. All right. Ooh. Oh, this is different. Y'all see how the light is hitting it? Y'all think I'm being dramatic, but I know you saw when that light hit my lip. Hold on. Okay. This is a vibe. This is a look. This is a mood. Y'all see how I'm just checking myself out? I'm sorry. Let me stop. I need to take this off. So I really like this one. It reminds me of crud. I can't even remember. It's like it's not ombre. I'm at a loss for words what this reminds me of, but it reminds me of like a sheen color. I enjoy that at least out of all of these, most of them are either transparent, opaque, is one tone. This one has multiple tones in it, and I can see why it's called changes, but even right now, I could wear this lip gloss with the look that I have going on. Mind you, my eyes right now, all Morphe palette, my foundation, Fenty Beauty. So I need to make a whole different foundation routine again because I've switched up my entire routine. Let me rank these lip glosses for you all right now. What I will say, Ooh, that's the thing about lip gloss too. You get everything stuck to it. What I will say, my least favorite out of the group is Sugar Sugar, only because it's a very tan color. I honestly don't like just tan lip gloss because you can see straight through it, and my lips have a dark pigment to it. I got eczema, y'all, I'm sorry. But my lips have a darker pigment. Sometimes I'm always scratching. I really shouldn't. Even on my neck, if you've seen some of my videos, eczema. But back to the review. So Sugar Sugar is my least favorite. I will wear it, but it definitely won't be my go-to. Like I said, I'm getting more towards like my natural tones this season. So Skin Deep off the bat, Skin Deep is something I will put on every day, and I will probably run out of it in the next few months. My favorite out of the two purples, the one I will say, is Boys Don't Cry. Boys Don't Cry is really bomb. It reminds me of this dark pigment lipstick I have, and Boys Don't Cry did not disappoint. I've actually worn the lip gloss too, if you want to know about longevity. When I eat, of course, lip gloss is going to get, if you kiss somebody, it's going to get on their face. If you get it on somebody's shirt, it's going to get on their shirt. When I eat, only a little bit comes off, but I do find myself, I do have to, of course, reapply the lip gloss. It's not like a matte lipstick or anything. Wearing it throughout the day, if you're not kissing anybody or eating constantly, the lip gloss is going to stay. I do notice that because I find myself going like this throughout the day to see if I have my lip gloss still on, and it is still on if I'm not eating or kissing anyone. Look, but other than that, this is the Marc Jacobs Snake Charmer, and it's the high lip gloss review. I hope you guys all enjoyed. Let me know what you would like to see in the future. I'm trying out new things with my YouTube channel, and I've missed you all. I've been, you know, away at school, but now I want to incorporate this back into my daily routine. So I hope you guys all enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you tried it, and let me know if you tried any of his other products and you want to see me review them. But love you all. Have a good one. Peace.